Hey y'all, welcome back to MathRescue. I'm Andre and I make content to take away the stress of learning math. In this video, we're going to solve a natural log equation so you can work through equations with natural log and understand how to undo them correctly. You're going to see a lot of ln. Take a deep breath, we're going to slow this down, break it apart step by step, and make it feel super easy. Let's talk about it. Alright. So we have a natural log equation here. We have 1/4 of natural log of 3x equals 2. So first thing I want to do, first thing I notice is that my variable, the thing I'm looking for, is stuck inside of the argument of the logarithm. That kind of presents a problem. I can't directly solve for that. Either I use mental math or I have to do a form change. I have to change the exponential form. So that's kind of the first thing that pops out at me. So my goal is to do a form change. Before I can do the form change, I must isolate the logarithm. So the 1/4 has to get moved over. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. These end up canceling. And that gives me natural log of 3 times x equal to 8. All right, I am in the clear to go ahead and do a form change. To do my form changes, I always tell my students to start with the base. This is natural log, so it's invisible base e. So first thing I want to do is I want to write my base. And then from there, the answer and the argument switch places. So the 8 ends up moving to the left-hand side, and the 3x ends up moving to the right-hand side. All right, from here, I am one step away from getting x alone. I have e to the 8 equals 3 times x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, first let me switch to all black ink. That way you can see my algebra steps. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So those cancel. And I get x equals e to the 8 all over 3. All right, and that's my final answer. You can pop that in a calculator and get an approximation of what it's worth. However, that's the expression representing our final answer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. I post videos regularly and my goal is to make you feel super confident in math. See you in the next one.